What's up, guys? Today I have a plan. So around 3 years ago I got a RC car. It's pretty cool. It's this one right here. And so I got it for Christmas. And so today what the plan is to put the GoPro on it. First, we need to grab some batteries to use. So we unplug that. Unplug that. And then unplug this one. Now that we have the batteries, we need to get the car. It's been a while since I've used them. There's the hood, and here's the body. So, we're going to put the body down, and this, we're going to put you guys right there. Perfect spot. So we're going to come over here. We're going to grab a paper towel. Basically just wipe the top off. It needs to be clean. Alright. Feels clean on the top, so now we're going to move this car aside and put on this little piece with the sticky bottom, and so we're going to put it right there. Alright, now that we have it on, we're going to just press it on even more, make sure it's on there. Then we're going to get the controller for the RC car. There we go. Now that we have the controller, the car, and we have the mount on, all we gotta do is put this little piece in, like so. And then we're gonna put you guys on there, install the battery, and then get this thing running. Alright, we have the battery put in, so now we're gonna place this on the top. Gotta twist that. There we go. Now that that's on, we're going to tuck these sides in so none of the dirt and stuff gets in. Now we're going to turn on the controller and turn on the car. Just a little test, make sure everything works. Yeah, looks like that works. Okay, and now you guys are gonna go on there. Alright, so wheels are turning, and we're outside. Alright, y'all are outside. It's currently 31 degrees. Sorry if you hear some background noise. That's just the car operating. So, let's get it. looks ready to go. Now we just gotta power it on. Here we go. Clean off the top. There you guys go. Doing a speed test. Basically, we're gonna be seeing how far you can go in the grass. So until you get to that spot over there, you're gonna be in the grass and it's going to be very deep. Here we go. Y'all did not make it far. Here, you'll try it down there, okay? Alright guys, you ready? Here we go. Well guys, this is what everything is looking like. It's pretty cold. We're gonna go outside and I'll show you what the outside looks like. So here is the first tracks and all of these parts where I got stuck at. Right there. Did a loop right there, went over there, there's over here, went all the way down the road. Down here, this is where the snow got really deep, and he got stuck right here. The snow, look at this, it is deep. Like, guys, I can literally just eat the snow. But it's pretty beautiful out here. Enjoying the moment, enjoying the snow while it lasts. And hope y'all liked the video. Have a good night and stay warm. Peace.